Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja. We're thrilled to have you join us for another insightful episode where learning never stops. If you're looking for free educational content that makes math fun and easy, then you're in the right place. Our mission is to empower young minds with the tools and confidence to tackle any challenge. So, hit that subscribe button and join our community of learners. Have you ever solved a math problem and wondered why your answer is different from someone else's? This is where the order of operations comes in, ensuring we all follow the same steps to solve math problems correctly. The order of operations is a set of rules that tells us what to do first in a math expression. It's often remembered by the acronym PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. These rules were created so that everyone can arrive at the same answer regardless of where they are in the world. Let's dive deeper into what each of these terms means. First, we have parentheses. Parentheses are the most powerful symbols in mathematics. When you see them in an expression, you always solve what's inside them first. For example, in the expression 3 times 4 plus 2, you would first add 4 and 2, which equals 6. Then, multiply 3 by 6 to get 18. Next is exponents, which appear after parentheses. An exponent tells you how many times to multiply a number by itself. For instance, 3 squared, or 3 raised to the power of 2, means 3 times 3, giving you 9. This means that an expression like 2 plus 3 squared would first calculate the exponent, resulting in 2 plus 9, which equals 11. After parentheses and exponents, we move on to multiplication and division, which hold equal priority. This means you solve these operations from left to right, no matter which one comes first in the expression. For example, if you have 8 divided by 2 times 4, you will first divide 8 by 2 to get 4, then multiply by 4 to ultimately arrive at 16. Similarly, with addition and subtraction, these operations also have equal priority. You also solve them from left to right. So in the expression 10 minus 3 plus 5, you first subtract 3 from 10, giving you 7, then add 5 to reach a final answer of 12. But what happens when you have nested parentheses, or parentheses within parentheses? In this case, you follow the same order. You work from the innermost parentheses outwards. For example, in the expression 2 times 3 plus 4 times 2, you first solve inside the innermost parentheses, 4 times 2 equals 8. Next, you add 3 and 8 to get 11, and finally, you multiply 2 by 11, resulting in 22. This methodology not only applies within math classes, it is crucial for various real-world applications. Many fields, such as programming, engineering, finance, and science, rely on the order of operations to maintain clarity and consistency when performing calculations. Without these standardized rules, the world would have a hard time communicating numerical data effectively. Interestingly, the order of operations wasn't always agreed upon. It took years for mathematicians from different cultures and time periods to arrive at the consensus we use today. This agreement ensures that, even if mathematicians speak different languages or hail from different countries, they can work together effectively. However, even experienced students can make mistakes when applying the order of operations. One common error is rushing through the calculations and forgetting to follow the sequence of operations correctly. Remember, taking your time to solve complex expressions step by step is crucial for achieving the right answer. As we've explored, understanding the order of operations is not just about solving numbers but also about reinforcing logic and clarity in your thought process. When we trust this universal standard, we can communicate effectively and collaborate across various sectors. By applying these principles, you can boost your confidence and precision in dealing with any math problem that comes your way. Today we journeyed through the essential rules of the order of operations. We learned that PEMDAS helps guide us in solving math expressions consistently and accurately. From parentheses to exponents, and the equal priority of multiplication with division and addition with subtraction, understanding these concepts is crucial for mathematical success. We also touched on real-world applications and the fascinating history behind the establishment of these rules. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep applying these principles to strengthen your math skills. Thank you for joining this episode of Spelling Bee Ninja. We hope you found our exploration of the order of operations enlightening and applicable to your math adventures. Be sure to subscribe for more engaging educational content. Stay curious, keep learning, and we can't wait to see you next time.